Hi there, this is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. Say that again, IamWealthyandRich.com. That's something you should say too. How to understand the game of money and play it well. That's what this is all about. And there are different parts of the puzzle to understanding the game of money and playing it well. Now, welcome to my update. What I've been doing and what this is really about is just updating the cryptocurrency portfolio that's growing. Started updating it from the, I think, 22nd of February or thereabouts. And on a daily basis, I update it. And I just, from February, started documenting all these updates. Although this portfolio was started last year. But before I continue, I want to do the disclaimer. Please make sure before I do, you stay to the end of this video, because after the update, I always talk about something of importance to do with understanding the game of money. So, but before I do, I'm going to do the disclaimer. So this is not a financial advice video. So I'm not an accountant, CPA. I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor. So this is not a financial advice. Do your own due diligence, do your own research before you make any financial decisions. Also understand that with any kind of investing or trading, there are always risks associated with that. So do not invest any more money than you can afford to lose. Okay, so sound advice there. So with that, let's get to the updates, get to my spreadsheet. So let's share that screen. And this is the spreadsheet I've been updating. As those who've been following the video know the drill. Those of you who are new, I'll just go through it quickly. So I've got 3 columns here. The first one is the altcoin, the second one is Bitcoin, the third one is the totals. And there's usually a link underneath this video that shows how things got started from 0 to 106,000 or something. You can see that link below the video if you want to watch how it got to this point, and then this is the continuation. The videos you see in the channel are the continuation from 106,000. So what we need to do now is okay. So the green and red, basically the green is when it goes forward on the previous day, and the red is when it goes backwards on the previous day. So you can see there's lots of green and reds, and the last few days we've had it going forward. So let's see where we are today. So today is the 29th of August, and 29th of August, and I get the figures from this page here, which is linked to a live feed page, and comes in from an asset group into, and I get the founder figures here. Okay, so this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and then an assortment of specially selected, specially researched alternative coins apart from Bitcoin, known as altcoins. And we have the totals at the top here. So on the left-hand side is in US dollars, as you can see. On the right-hand side, same portfolio, just in British pounds or pound sterling. And this is the percentage split between the Bitcoin and the altcoins. So 77%. Majority of the money is in the altcoins, and there's a reason for that, which I'll maybe talk a little bit about at the end, maybe. So figures I want is this figure here, 164,000, the altcoin figure, 164,785.71. Let's put that in there. So then got it now. What is it? 164,785.71. 164,785. I think it was 71. Let's have a look. Did I get that right? Yeah, I got it right. Right. So that is a $942 increase from yesterday, and for the altcoins, and the total portfolio 213,186.81 cents. 213,186.81 cents. 213,186 and 13 cents. 31 cents. Remember, it was 31. 31 must be 31. Is that 31? No, it's 81. See, neither. 81. Let's change that to 81. 81 cents. Okay. So let's bring that down, and that is $649 on yesterday. So that's good. and that, but Bitcoin is down $292 on yesterday. So that's why there's a little, the total portfolio is lower than even what the increase is lower than what the altcoins was. Majority of the increase came from the altcoins. Okay, that's good. That's all great. I don't get emotional, don't get attached. It's a long-term investment, so it's going to do what it does. It's going to go up and down and up, and so on and so forth. It's all part and parcel of the process. I expected things to go down again before they finally go up, by the way, just to let you know that pretty soon, actually. We're coming up to the next couple of months. So let's go to what I want to talk about. What I'd like to talk about today is really, let's see, just the growth of Bitcoin, okay, over the years. I call this historical snapshots, Bitcoin's historical snapshots. And that's what this is to remind you of the growth of cryptocurrency and actually see where we are this time of the year, roughly this time of the year, in the from 2013 up to now. So back in August 2020, August the 25th, 2013, Bitcoin was $122.11. There was even no Ethereum, so Ethereum didn't exist. Litecoin existed. It was 249. I'm not going to go through all the XRP existed. It was, I don't even know what that is, less than a cent. But Bitcoin was $122. Okay, and so you need to appreciate the growth and where it's come from and what it's been through. Okay, and what it potential where it's going in the future. In 2014, 31st of August 2014, as close as I can get to today's date. So roughly the similar time of year in 2014, Bitcoin has risen, was $477.76. Okay, still no Ethereum on the horizon on the map, and Litecoin is $486. What really is about Bitcoin. So it had grown. Okay, it had grown, and that is really great. And praise and credibility to those people who really had a lot of faith back in 2014. And 2015, it had risen to 200. It hadn't risen, it fell. So last year, the year before, it was 477. The year after, at the same time of year, it had slightly come down. Well, almost half. Well, more than half, a little bit half. So 228 went down to 228. Roughly the same time of year. $228 for Bitcoin. And then in 2016, it went up to 573. So you see, if you had lost hope in 2014 because it went down to half, you would have missed gains, but it would have went up because ultimately it went up. That's what you need to look at. You have to play that. And now we're talking about the Ethereum has joined the party. It's now $10 and $10.93. But Bitcoin at a massive staggering height at 2016 at $573.91, which is really wonderful growth. And it's important to know where you're coming from to know where you're going. And but in 2017, pretty interesting, same type of towards the end of August, similar time of year, imagine an amazing investment. It was 500 the year before, that same year, the same Bitcoin, but a year later, it was $4,382.88. That's amazing. And Ethereum, the year before was $10. Okay, the next year it was 347. I mean, the incredible returns and growth in this industry have been incredible. Cryptocurrency industry is just incredible. Okay, so 2017 we got up to 4,382 Bitcoins, and 2018 it gone up to 6,707. Imagine way back in 2013 if you had given up on Bitcoin. Okay, and it would have been a really big mistake. Ethereum is down a little bit, but that's okay. But 2019, Ethereum's down even more. Bitcoin is up, still going strong. And this is really about Bitcoin's growth. I'm just mentioning Ethereum there, but $10,138.52. That's what Bitcoin was around and towards the end of August 2019, which is just 2 years ago, basically $10,000 Bitcoin. And 2020, last year, so a year ago in 2020, on the 30th of August, Bitcoin was, and I didn't even cover the market cap, 11,711.51 cents. The market cap of 216 billion. Okay, if we go back quickly, look at the market caps. We got just 1.4 billion in 2013, 6.3 billion in 2014. I don't know what this is. Is this? Yeah, 3.3 billion. So it went down in 2015. 9 billion. You see, this is why you mustn't give up on a journey. Okay, 9 billion. The next year, 2016, 9 billion. Is this billion? Yeah, billion. Right? I'm not going through the little figures, little digits. 72 billion in 2017 market cap. Okay, 115 billion in 2018. What was it? 2019? 181 billion. 181 billion, 450 million, 186,164. And 48 cents. It's just incredible. And in last year, around this time, Bitcoin was 216 billion market cap. Okay, 216 billion, 373,660,045.36. What incredible growth. Okay, and where are we today? Well, today, where are we? Today, let's just refresh it to make sure. Today we are 48,000. Bitcoin is 48,000. This time last year, it was 11,711. Today, we are 48,412. Okay, with a market cap of 910 billion. Anybody who says Bitcoin has not been a good store of value does not understand long-term investing. It is not a short-term 2-week investment. It is not a 1-month investment. If you hold it in blocks of 4 years, you cannot lose. You can never lose. So just appreciate the road you're on. Appreciate the asset you're investing in. If you're not invested in Bitcoin, you should be. Because there's nothing else that has performed like this over the last decade. Nothing. Real estate, nothing. Okay, so understand the power of what this is and where it's. We're still early. There's still a long way to go. Okay, it just fires me up when I say that. And this is the facts. Numbers don't lie. Okay, numbers don't lie. Okay, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie. Okay, so just the facts. It's the fact that is an awesome investment. But don't look at it as a 2-week investment. I went down because it's so volatile. Don't worry about it. Listen, you're investing for the wrong reasons. But anyway, Bitcoin is fantastic, and certain altcoins also have tremendous growth potential as well. This whole cryptocurrency metaverse is just incredible. Ecosystem is just incredible. A lot of exciting things happening, but you've got to be careful, know what you're doing, and know what the right investments are. And that's why I encourage you to, if you want to find out more about the our altcoin investments, what you want to do is you want to come along website, IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. That's our site here. IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down to this form here. Fill it in. Get your millionaire mindset and business strategy free now. Okay, and start. Get your mind in gear. Get your finances in gear, and get on the road to success. It's a journey. Success is a journey. So get on the journey mentally and physically with money. Okay. Now it's free, the course. Get the information, get your financial discipline, get on the road, and then once you've started on the journey, okay, it's a journey never ends. Then send me an email and I'll send you, get you on a free webinar to find out more about the altcoin strategy, etc. Okay, but start the journey here. Your journey starts here in this form. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you on the inside. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, share it on your social media, let more people know about to join the party, because the more people that join the party, the better it is for all of us. Okay, simple as that. Just spread the word. And like I said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.